how to use chat in ClickUp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start using chat inside ClickUp. A lot of people who work in ClickUp end up communicating through Discord, email, or separate apps, or they rely only on task comments, which can be messy because comments are attached to individual tasks. But ClickUp actually offers a built-in chat feature that works like a real chat room inside your project. This makes communication much faster and keeps everything in one place. So let me show you exactly how to set it up. So first you can open your ClickUp account and then go to your ClickUp dashboard. And on the left side, as you can see, there is the menus. And then on the left side, there is more here. You can click it and then there is chat option or chat tab. You can click it and it will brings you to the chat workspace like this. So basically there is direct message or general message for the project. So you can chat inside the general project here. And then in the chat in general, as you can see, you can add people to the chat or you can export your chat histories from Slack. And then as you can see, if you want to use AI, you can just click space here and it will open the AI option. You can ask to summarize the channel, create tasks, or write something. And also, if you want to do commands, you can click like this. And there is some option to, add button, create doc, create whiteboard, write stand up, and others. So for example, I'm gonna add new message, maybe announcement. Hi guys, welcome to the chat. It's like this. I'm gonna click enter and it's gonna be appears here as you can see. So I can give it a like or add reaction. So also I can forward the message. And there is also option to ask AI. So maybe if it's so long or something like that, you can ask the AI to summarize message or find related tasks and others, you can uh, choose the option. And let's say I want to remind my team, so maybe please finish this task. I can click add to open the task option here. And then I will choose the task. Let's say this one, upload the script. Please finish the task and I can click enter. And after that, I can, sign to someone. This one, sign. And then you can choose your team, you can just, this is only me. So let's say this one and it will assign to the person. And maybe you want to get notification when someone or your team reply to your message. You can just click three dots here and you can click get notified about new replies. You can click it and you will get notification when someone reply to your message. And if you get assigned to some task, you will get a notification like this, assigned, and you will find all of your assigned tasks like this. So this is me assign the task for me. And again, if you want to do commands, you can just click size here, slice, and then you will find options here. Maybe you want to create whiteboard, create doc, or something like that, or maybe heading for your message. You can edit. Maybe this is the title or something like that. You can explore it. You can also use the AI, you can just click space and you will find the AI option here. If you want to summarize channel or create task or write something for your message. So yeah, I think that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.